Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying the net flat and securing it to a simple frame so tension stays even. This prevents distortion as you work. Mark the center and guide grid. These references determine symmetry and motif size. Next, choose thread color or powder contrast so lines read clearly against the net. Once done, establish the first stitch or dot at the center. Start outward in predictable steps to build a stable foundation for the Rangoli motif. Now you expand the design in concentric rounds, alternating stitches, knots, or powder-filled dots to create texture and layering. Keep spacing consistent, measure or count mesh cells so each radial arm lines up. This preserves symmetry. If you want complex petal shapes, switch to slightly longer stitches and add a contrasting inner ring to emphasize depth. Throughout, pause to visually align opposite points, correcting early saves reworking later, and makes finishing fast and precise. To finish, lock all active threads with small knots or weave them back into the mesh so work stays stable. You can use tiny clear glue drops for permanent pieces. Trim excess net and neaten the border, then press gently if the material tolerates heat to help the design settle. If you spot warping or asymmetry, loosen the nearest stitches, retension the net on the frame, and realign the central axis. This targeted fix corrects shape without undoing the whole design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.